Yachana Gourmet is an ecologically conscious, socially progressive company designed to purchase agricultural commodities grown in the Ecuadorian rainforest, add value to these products in the jungle, and open international markets. Yachana Gourmet was started by the Foundation for Integrated Education and Development. Yachana Gourmet finances the Foundation's fight against poverty and disease and the destruction of Ecuador's tropical forest.
Yachana Gourmet was started by Funinasim, which is a non-profit foundation. But Yachana Gourmet is a for-profit company. Started with two goals in mind. One was to provide additional sustainability to the foundation, financial sustainability. After the inception of Yachana Lodge, which is our ecotourism lodge, which operates in the jungle, which also all the profits from the lodge go to support our health, education, rainforest conservation programs. The idea was to find a market for the products that are being cultivated in the rainforest by the small family farmers. We work directly with the farmers, with their cacao. We purchase the cacao from them at a fair trade price, which gives them a livable income. 100% of the profits from the sale of the chocolate goes right back into funding our programs that we are operating in the rainforest. One of the largest programs and projects that we are operating at the moment is our Agricultural Technical Assistance Program. We have two teams that are working in two regions of the Ecuadorian rainforest, one in the Napo region and the second is in the Sucumbíos region, which is on the Colombian border. In each region we have a team of 5 agricultural engineers and field technicians who go out, work with the communities. We have nurseries that we've built in each of the communities. We provide them with seedlings of Cacao Nacional, which is the finest, most aromatic, flavorful species of cacao. We help them to better their production and quality of cacao. Right now, they are producing on average about 2 quintales of cacao per hectare. A quintal is 100 pounds. Our goal in the next 5 years is to increase that from 2 quintales, or 200 pounds per hectare, up to 8 or 10 quintales, or 800 to 1,000 pounds per hectare.
Yachana Gourmet is involved in every aspect of the product cycle, from cultivation to harvest, from harvest to production, from production to marketing. By eliminating intermediaries, Yachana Gourmet ensures that the people of the rainforest profit from their own enterprise. Yachana Jungle Chocolate is a product of the people. Cacao, the fruit from which chocolate is made, is native to the Amazon basin and has been cultivated by the inhabitants of the Ecuadorian rainforest for the past 40 years. The annual cacao harvest takes place from March through July. Families begin early in the morning and work together in a minga to harvest the fruit, which will be sold to Yachana Gourmet later that same day. After a morning of harvesting, the pots are opened and the cacao beans, still covered in sweet and fruity pulp, are scooped out and packed for transport to the banks of the Napo River, where Yachana Gourmet buyers are waiting to purchase the cacao. Every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, Yachana Gourmet canoes travel up and down the river, purchasing cacao from rural communities. The day's harvest is then transported to the Cacao Collection Center in Agua Santa, which was built in cooperation with the Ecuadorian Canadian Development Fund. It is here where cacao begins its transformation into chocolate. The beans are deposited in specially designed wooden boxes where they are carefully fermented for up to 7 days. These boxes are covered with banana leaves so that the beans maintain the temperature required for the fermentation process to take place. This is a delicate process that requires very specific conditions. Proper fermentation develops the cacao's rich chocolate flavor. Next, the Yachana Gourmet team spreads the beans out on wooden platforms to be slowly sun-dried. They then sort the beans, selecting the best for the important toasting process that follows. Each batch is toasted until the beans acquire a rich, nutty flavor characteristic of dark chocolate. The beans are then coarsely ground and separated from their husks. Yachana Gourmet's unique post-harvest process enhances the flavor of the bean and creates a pure cacao nib, the primary ingredient used in Yachana jungle chocolate. The nibs are transported to the company's production facility in Quito, where the production team